Hey everyone, today we'll be doing some Leetcode 112 path sum. This is an easy problem and it is also relatively easy compared to the other three problems we have done. So given the root of the binary tree and integer targeted sum, return true if the tree has a root to leaf path such that adding up all the values along the path equals targeted sum. A leaf is a node which has node children. So this is a binary tree, not a binary search tree. If this was a binary search tree, thing would have been much easier for us because we can just compare the root with the targeted sum, and if it is less, then we go left, and if it's greater, then obviously we are going to find it on the right, and or we have the possibility to find it on the right higher rather than the left side. So this is a binary tree, uh, not a binary search tree. We have to find the path to a leaf, root to leaf, which makes the targeted sum. For example, if we go 5, 8, 13, this is the root to leaf path, the fastest leaf path. That sum is 26, 8, and yes, 26. So if the targeted sum is 26, we will just compare, we will just go to the left and check, we find 26 there. No, we are not going to find 26 here, so we will go to the right and check all the nodes to the root to leaf. So just root to check the root to leaf paths and add them up alongside, and we will also have a condition. If we hit if we will check each node that if it has its own left or right. If it does, it is not our leaf node, it is uh, some other node leading to other nodes. uh, so we'll be checking it, and if it is, we will just return the current sum and check if the current sum is equal to targeted sum. So that's it. Now let's code. We will be calling a helper method, giving it root and current sum, and now we will check our base condition. If not root, we will just return false. Okay, so we will add, if it is not null, obviously, then we have our values there. Current sum is equal plus and root dot val. Okay, this is it, and now we'll check if that node has its own left and right. If it doesn't, then we will go and check if the sum is equal to the target. Okay, now we will call recursively in the return statement to check all the left right nodes. To do that, and we have to take a boolean from it. So we will check to the left, check to the right. If we find a true on the right, we will take that true and ignore the false on the left. And we have to take one path, we cannot take two paths and return boolean from these two paths. We just take one, we will just take boolean from one path, and that's it. Now we will see if we have left and some, and also to do that we will use or helper. Now we will give it root and right alongside the current sum. We will give it current sum. We can also do that all of this in the main function, but I just made another function in a function. So now we will call helper and give it our root and the base value as 0. So I think this works fine. Let me see if there are any errors in it. There are no errors, and now let's submit it. Yeah, that's it.